job then.
I need to turn that around now.
Okay, before we get into today's video, here is today's video shout outs. If you would like to be featured in the video for a shout out, check the description box below. It has all of the information needed for you to be shouted out in the month of June. Now let's get into the video. Nobody ever told me what I needed to do to decrease my run time. You always hear, just get out there and run, just get out there and run. Truth is, just getting out there and run might help you pass your PT test, but it's not really going to help you decrease your run time. Like I said in my last video, there are techniques and things that I have learned over the year that have really helped me to become a better runner. And I'm going to share those tips and techniques with you all in this video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. Hey everybody, it's Army Princess here and welcome back to my channel. For those of you all watching me for the very first time, I'm Army Princess, a U.S. Army soldier. I've been in the military over 10 years now and I want to share my experiences with you all. So we are in the middle of my We Run June series and I wanted to talk to you all about the one thing that has really helped me decrease my run time overall, and that is sprints. Sprints are very beneficial for your running experience, decrease your run time, increase your speed, and help you overall become a better runner.
Good run.
So in my last video, I talked to you all about how to run and I gave you the basics on how to run for beginners. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and check that one out up at the card above. In this video, I am going to talk to you about how you can decrease your overall run time and get fast. Before I get into how you can incorporate sprints in your regimen and how they drastically decrease my run time, let me take a minute to explain what sprints are and how they work so that you can incorporate them effectively in your running regimen. Sprints help recruit and develop fast twitch muscle fibers and build muscle. They elevate your heart rate and increase calorie burn. So for those of you all who are trying to lose weight, definitely incorporate sprint. For years, my PT test 2 mile was consistently between 17:30 and 18 minutes. I could not figure out how for the love of me I could get my run time down. I would spend weeks training for the PT test in fear of failing. I told y'all I failed my first PT test and it scared the living daylights out of me, only to feel like I was barely able to pass when I took the PT test after training for months and months. It wasn't until I was several years into my military career before I was introduced to speed training, and it literally saved my running life.
There you go. Sprint! Sprint! Oh, last little bit, last little bit.
Alright, so let's put sprints into our run regimen. The way I want you all to incorporate sprints in your run regimen is to incorporate it at least 1 day a week. I know, I hate sprints. I hate them with a passion. But sprints do help. Trust me, y'all, sprints really do help. So what I do is I run a minimum of 3 days a week, and I talked about this in the last video, but one of those days I incorporate sprints. And the way I like to do sprints is run the light post. So to make it easier for y'all, pick an area, a parking lot, and sprint every other light pole. So what I do is sprint to one light pole, and then I would jog/walk to the next light pole. But I guarantee you, if you put a good 20 minutes of effort into it, you will definitely, number one, get a good workout, and you will see a drastic decrease in your overall run time. So 1 day a week I do a long run, 1 day a week I do at least 20 minutes or 2 miles of sprints, and the last day of the week I do a quick 2-mile run just to kind of see where I'm at. If you do this consistently every week, you will definitely be able to gauge where you are and see a decrease overall in your run time, and you will get fast. The other ways that I like to incorporate sprints is 60-120s on the track. So for people who don't have an area where they can run the light post, go to a track, go to a school, go somewhere that has a track and do 60-120s. So what you would do is set the timer on your watch and you will sprint as hard as you can all out for 60 seconds. Once those 60 seconds has elapsed, then you would walk/jog for the next 120 seconds. And you do this about 5 or 6 times around the track oh, trust me, you are going to feel it. The last way that I incorporate sprints in my run regimen is suicide. So this is an easy way to get some sprints in when you don't have a track, when you're not able to run the neighborhood. Maybe you just want to do it at the end of your driveway or in a parking lot. Incorporate suicides, because what they do is give you that short, quick burst of speed and energy that you need to get a good workout in. And you'll definitely see improvement in your run time.
Mommy.
Don't move me. I don't move. Okay, just fine.
That was a good workout, don't you think?
It was a very good workout.
It was.
Hard. The kids ran. Well, Giselle ran. You and I ran. We did some hill sprints. It was awesome.
Right now, you should have a playlist on your screen. Click that playlist now to get more military tips and tricks on how to improve your PT and run faster. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye.